These little motherfuckers are breeding entirely too fast. Like, seriously, too fast. I've got teeny tinies. Oh my! I've got way too many. I'm telling you, and I've got babies still getting ready to hatch. And look what I just found. These were laid today. I can't have all these babies, y'all. This is too much. I want these babies to have babies. Not these 80 babies to have babies. This is entirely too much. Like, for real, y'all, just this right here is probably, I don't know, probably 300 babies. They won't all hatch, of course, but still, I cannot.